My name's Andrea Lee. I'm the head of the strategic analysis team at the Department for Communities and Local Government. I'm currently one of the policy fellows at the centre, which I started last year. I first heard about the policy fellowship programme through the government department I work for, which is the Department for Communities and Local Government. So our director of analysis was currently a policy fellow, and he'd got just so much out of the programme, brought so much back into the department that we made a decision to expand it and make it available to other people in his directorate. The way they run the programme is that you spend 5 days in Cambridge. It's extremely intensive, but I met over 30 people from the university, and I would never have thought I would have met people from the geography department, the engineering department, all sorts of sciences, history department, and you have the most amazing conversations around topics of interest, and these open up lines of inquiry, pointers for research. You get ideas about the kind of evidence and ideas and research that are going on in the university that you can bring back into the policy world in Whitehall. Amongst the departments I visited the Department of Engineering, and I was really interested in a systems approach to looking at policy analysis and development. And I had a really fascinating conversation there about how engineers bring together processes and systems and find the connections, find the weak points, find the strong points, look at the resilience of a construction or an engine or whatever it is as a whole. And some of these approaches have already been used in government, but I was really interested in exploring that further and trying to get them more widely used in government. So I invited Philip Guilford, who I met there, who's head of research at the Department of Engineering, to come and meet a group of government analysts who, as part of their day jobs, collect the evidence and analysis on the ageing society. And we tried an experiment. We tried to see what would happen when you brought somebody from an engineering background from the University of Cambridge to meet some policy analysts from the world of Whitehall. And could we actually learn something about an engineering approach and the way that systems work and use that to explore the issues and to find some solutions for the problems and indeed both the opportunities of an ageing society? So that process is actually ongoing. We've had a couple of meetings, we've progressed it, and it's opened up some more avenues and lines of research for us. And this is now great because we can go back to the university and we can bring even some more people in to help us fill some of those gaps and give us some further lines of inquiry. The real benefit of having met and spoken with a whole network of people at the University of Cambridge is that you start to get a two-way flow of information and ideas. So hopefully I understand more about the environment they're working in and what they're doing and where the cutting edge research is, and they understand what some of the policy issues are, and through meeting people you can kind of try and match up a better understanding of how you can work together and what the connections are that can really make a difference.